So current research regarding the environmental conditions and the spread of SARS-CoV-2 is sort of limited due to not enough time that we had to study it. But so far, the papers that I've been reading says that there is a correlation between the temperature and higher temperature and higher humidity that limits the spread of SARS-CoV-2. The limitation is not as significant as we would hope so, but there is some sort of correlation between that. So also what research shows is that during the winter time, when there is a lower humidity, lower temperature, also our immune system responds to that differently. We are more prone to infections. So those warmer temperatures do definitely affect the spread of the virus. But most importantly, when we currently observe that flattening of the curve, the effect of that is due to the social distancing measures that most countries, most states took upon and basically closing many places where people gather. That's what supports lower cases and lower incidence of COVID-19. I unfortunately think it's very likely this virus is, like many other viruses, here to stay. Coronaviruses have been among the human population for quite a bit. They cause common colds, and this one is no different. Unfortunately, without herd immunity that we are hoping human population will develop, this virus, we're not going to be resistant to infection or reinfection. Additional measures would include vaccines or antivirals that are currently tested, but until they're available for human population, globally available, we'll see outbreaks. This virus will be especially maintaining spread in kids because it's most of the time asymptomatic or it causes mild infections. And in the fall we'll open all the schools, and those kids, they have parents, they go home, they have grandparents, and I think that will be the most common route of reinfection and another wave of COVID-19. My research efforts a little bit shifted due to obvious pandemic situation. I started 3 collaborations, 2 of which have been within Auburn University. One is with the Department of Engineering. We are testing and constructing special face masks that are covered in antivirals, and we're hoping that these masks will be protecting from spread of SARS-CoV-2. Another collaboration is with Cytoviva, which is a company that is associated with Auburn University. We are testing dark field microscopy for potential diagnostic purposes. And the third collaboration, sort of international collaboration with a German Center of Infectious Diseases and University of Vienna. I have 2 collaborators. One is a bioinformatician and the other one is a virologist, and we will be studying coronavirus RNA structures, their function and potential drugging of these RNA structures.